Hey everybody, we're gonna go down to this strip again. I don't know how we're gonna do because it's been pouring for 4 days. Finally stopped today, but we're supposed to have another 5 days of rain that may add up to 8 or 9 inches. So I don't know. Okay, we're going to be using this, the bounty hunter, and what I want to do is the very first metal detecting video I did, I found this thing in the upstairs bedroom when we moved into this house, and I found a knife with it, so I paid for it in one trip. I'm going to see if I can find anything in here, and then see if I can find it with that, because it didn't do real well on air tests. So we're going to see how we make out. Whoa, one thing I did find the other day when I was out, I went down into the woods because well, in the 20s there was an old house here, an old farmhouse, a barn, and then in the 40s they turned the barn into a truck and tractor repair facility. So there may be some interesting things out here, probably some old junk, but we're going to find it anyways. Now what I did was, when I was down in the woods down here, I found some old mossy bricks, so I figured there might be part of that, probably the old house, I guess. But what I did, I found a house oil filter with 2 pieces of copper tubing on it, and underneath about 2 feet of leaves in one of the swales, I found this thing, which is, I think they call them an old sigh. I think what I'll probably do is maybe this Halloween get some white makeup, do my face, get a black hoodie, and go as the whatever he's called. Anyway, we're going to start this up and to see how we make out. We're going to start out with the bounty hunter, and then we'll go to the Tandy and see if we can find what the bounty hunter found. Okay. Sensitivity. Now this white mark on here, let me make sure this thing's filming. Yeah, the white mark on here, the first part of it, steel drops out. Pull tabs drop out at the end of that white mark. But I'm going to leave it on the white mark so we can find those aluminum cans that we found before. And this, I leave the discriminate all the way up to high. So let's go see what we can find out. If we can find anything, I'll bring the Tandy down and see if we can find it. Now, I don't know how it's going to work because the ground is really wet, but we'll see. Like I said, it's going to be the only time I've got a chance to get out here for. There's something there. Where'd it go? Right here. Let's see what we got there. Let me turn this discriminate down a little bit and see what we get. Nope, doesn't seem to make any difference. Sensitivity, let's turn that up and see what we got. No, that makes a difference. It's actually right in here. Okay, let's go bring the Radio Shack and see what we get. Turn the volume all the way up. Peek. I already put a mark there, and let's see what we get. Nope. Pick up some more, see what we get. Nope, just not going to find it. I had, like I said, I had, I don't know, maybe something wrong with it. I had problems trying to bench test it. Okay, let's get the shovel and see what we get. Get my trusty screwdriver as well. Now there shouldn't be any gravel here, I hope. If you watched my last video, there was underneath about 3 to 4 inches of dirt. There was about 2 inches of really hard packed gravel. It probably been a driveway at one time, or a parking area. Look out. Pinpointer and see if it's deeper. I guess we can do it with the metal detector. Come on. Nope, still in the hole. Okay. Let me try the screwdriver, see if I can find something. Nope, we need shovel. Appears to be right in there. Let's see what we got. Maybe it's a screwdriver. Let's get rid of that. That's what it was. Still not in the hole. Deeper. Okay, Mr. Shovel. Put you, I guess, over here so you can see it. Rock or something down there. Yes, sir. Still in the hole. Well, now I'm about a foot. There it is, whatever it is. Whatever it is, it's right there and it's not money. I get no money, honey. Piece of wire. And I don't know what that is, but it's rather large. It's metal of some sort. Feels like aluminum. Let me get the shovel out and go a little deeper. Holy crap. Well, no matter what it is, it's down to here, over to here. That looks like a can there. I think the whole thing is a can. A badly mangled can, I believe. Okay, back to shovel again. No, it's not a shovel. It was the handle on the broom on the shovel. Everybody, there we are with a root beer can and a mystery can. Anybody can recognize that? Let me know. Looks like maybe a coffee can or something was big oil can maybe. I have no idea. Anybody recognizes it? Let me know. Okay, they're going to make it to the trash. Hey everybody. Well, that was the end of this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, you might want to give us a thumbs up or write a comment. If you didn't like it, of course, you can always give us a thumbs down. Some of the videos that I made I like, some of them I'm not so fond of, but once they're on the camera and we go to editing, they're pretty much taken care of. Okay, thanks for watching. Oh, by the way, if you'd like to subscribe, go right down here. There should be a little symbol down there that you can click on, the little icon. It'll take you to where you can subscribe. If not, anytime you want to watch one of my videos, I appreciate it. Take care. We'll talk to you another day. Bye.